In the expansive and arid stretches of Central Asia, beyond the rolling sand dunes and windswept deserts, lay a network so vital that it not only forged economic bonds, but also created a tapestry woven with human ambition and cultural exchange. This was the Silk Road, a name that has echoed through millennia, conjuring images of caravan trails, bustling bazaars, and exotic goods. This ancient trade route extended over 4,000 miles, connecting the East and West in a vibrant exchange of goods, ideas, and innovations. As merchants and explorers ventured across this vast landscape, they risked perilous terrain and weather extremes to transport their precious cargo. Silk, a luxurious fabric coveted for its luster and texture, traveled westward from China, symbolizing wealth and status, while gold, silver, and wool moved eastwards. Yet the Silk Road was far more than just a commercial avenue. It was a corridor of cultural diffusion, where philosophies, religions, and technologies were exchanged as readily as spices and silk. The journey along the Silk Road was fraught with challenges. Caravans faced threats from bandits, harsh climates, and the daunting Gobi Desert. But this journey was a necessary risk, as the rewards were immense. Oases like Samarkand and Bokhara became bustling centers where traders rested, resupplied, and interacted, turning them into melting pots of diverse cultures. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Silk Road was its role in the exchange of knowledge. It wasn't just goods that traversed these miles, but also revolutionary concepts. Buddhism spread from India to China, inspiring new art and philosophy. Papermaking techniques traveled from China, eventually reaching Europe and changing the course of history. Despite the passage of centuries, the stories of intrepid travelers, from the legendary Marco Polo to lesser-known monks and traders, continue to captivate modern imaginations. Each had their tale of adventure, mystery, and discovery. Some spoke of vast cities with towering minarets and exotic treasures, while others recounted the unforgiving elements and the relentless march over treacherous mountains. The Silk Road's legacy endures in today's trade routes and cultural exchanges, reminding us that the essence of human endeavor lies in exploration and connection. By understanding the secrets of the ancient Silk Road, we unlock the stories of countless adventurers who dared to traverse uncharted roads, leaving behind whispers of time when the known world expanded with every footstep into the vast unknown.